Mm-hmm.
And it's a tightly held stock as we speak about. Like we like companies like
Mm-hmm.
that are very much tightly held. So it's easy for the stock price to move, and there are not many shares like
But I
that
think we
out
should
there.
explain that. What do you mean when you say tightly held?
Yeah. So what I mean by tightly held is it's harder to get shares. It's almost like there's some level of scarcity. So it's easier for the price to move in either direction. Because if there are lots of shares out there and it's heavily traded every day and so on, if Preston comes with $1 million and says, all right, I want some shares now, just buy from the queue. It doesn't matter the price, we'll just buy. And if it's very tightly held, the price can move significantly. Whereas compare that to a company like Trans Jamaica Highway.
How I see it is that the top 10 people, usually, if you notice, like a lot of them will not really trade that much, I guess. A lot of times the top 10 people will hold their shares and not really sell. So basically, what will cause the price to move is more the people not outside of the top 10 or not the larger shareholders or the top shareholders. So if those people who own a lot of the company are not willing to sell, that they just buy it and they'll hold it for maybe 5-10 more years or just never sell it within their lifetime, then if there is something that then makes people want the company because the company's good things are happening to the company, people feel really nice about the company, they're seeing record profits or whatever reason, then there's just a limited amount of shares because those top 10 people maybe aren't selling or those larger shareholders aren't selling. So if you have high demand, low supply, share price is going to go up and you make money.